Hi guys, this is Adrian again, and today we have the Mi 90 Pro, and we have all three colors here. We have the carbon black, we have the glacier blue, and we have the flaming red. Alright, so I have all three colors here. Let's get that in. There you go.
Alright, let's take a closer look at the new Mi 90 Pro in all three colors. From left to right, we have the carbon black, flaming red, and glacier blue. First, let's take a look at the carbon black model. Its left side is completely clean of anything. No buttons here. You'll find the SIM tray located next to the USB-C port at the bottom. The power and volume buttons are all located on the right side. The 3.5mm audio port is located at the top with the pop-up camera. The front camera has a 20MP sensor with an f2.2 aperture. Let's take a closer look at how fast the camera goes up and down. Its triple camera system at the back is made up of a 48MP main camera, an 8MP telephoto camera, and a 30MP ultra-wide camera. The carbon black chassis is not just black, it has a carbon fiber pattern. Incidentally, the Mi 90 Pro is protected in the front and the rear by Gorilla Glass 5. Now let's take a look at the flaming red model. The flaming red chassis has a central black column with red flames along the side. Now, let's take a look at the glacier blue model. The Glacier Blue chassis has a central black column with blue flames along the side. So there you have it, our hands-on of all three Mi 90 Pro models. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.